Dancehall artist Qraig of popular group Voicemail is putting the final touches on his upcoming solo album titled Listen to Me. Over the weekend, Qraig shared the exciting news with fans online, stating that his name has been synonymous with dancehall and reggae for close to 2 decades. As one-third of the hit group Voicemail, he has sung, danced and DJ'd a musical message into the hearts and homes of many. On the cusp of his next album, a solo effort, he's only asking this time that you listen to me. The project will reportedly showcase the artist's versatility, growth and vision. Qraig shared details with E-Prime on the upcoming project.
This new solo album that I'm working on, it consists of 12 tracks. The name of the album is Listen to Me. I'm super excited about it. Can't wait to share it with the world. You know what I mean? Producers that I've worked with is like Frankie Music, Slider the Wizard, some young producers like Bad Twin, Cologne, Barn Kingstonian, you know what I mean? A Live Enterprise, you know what I mean? So Alec A-Style, big up yourself. This album is something that you can just take up and just vibe, and just chill, just love. I wanted to prove to myself that I'm good enough. I wanted to prove to myself that I am worthy. I wanted to share with my fans a little bit more of me. I wanted to just do some music outside of what people would say don't do or you can't do. You know what I mean? So I'm the inspiration. I am my inspiration.
Listen to Me will feature 12 tracks and leads with the track I Vow. Qraig is also gearing up to release the track Baker, which is also featured on the project. Listen to Me is slated for release on June 24. Nigerian singer Burna Boy continues to reap successes from his hit single On the Low. His 2018 hit, Ye, which appeared on his Outside album, had reached that milestone in May of 2021. Burna Boy is slated to make history today as the first Afrobeat artist to headline a show at Madison Square Gardens in New York City. I'm Adrienne Gordon reporting for E-Prime.